If you're looking for a fifth wheel that's the perfect size for national and state parks, check out this Paradigm 295 MK by Alliance RV. As you admire the exterior of this exceptional RV, take note of the fine attention to detail and high quality materials that make the Paradigm 295 MK a true standout in its class. With features like premium paint, sleek LED lighting, and innovative storage solutions, every aspect of this coach is designed with both style and practicality in mind. Immerse yourself in the spacious interior. Complete with premium furnishing and state-of-the-art amenities, from the modern kitchen equipped with high-end appliances to the cozy living area perfect for relaxation, the Paradigm 295 MK caters to every need. But what sets Alliance RV apart is not just their exceptional vehicles, but also their commitment to excellence. Founded on a passion for crafting top-quality RVs, Alliance RV has a rich history of delivering superior products backed by outstanding customer service. Their core values of integrity, innovation, and customer satisfaction shine through in every vehicle.